The Dow Jones and the S&P 500 falling this Monday following a record-setting session as traders worry about rising coronavirus cases while searching for clues on additional fiscal aid. Now, White House Coronavirus Response Coordinator Dr. Deborah Birx warned on Sunday that the escalating coronavirus cases will be the worst event that this country will face, not just from a public health side. Meanwhile, taking a look now at the forex market, the euro-dollar is where we begin. That happens to see a rebound. The British pound-US dollar pair intraday sees a consolidation and remains in focus. The pair on the downside below the resistance at 133.55 and below its declining 50-period moving average. Short positions below 133.55 are favored with targets at 132.50 and 132.20 in extension. The dollar-yen intraday support is around 103.90, while the Bitcoin-dollar intraday sees the downside prevail as long as 19,499 is a resistance. The pivot point 19,499, while over in precious metals, gold intraday is turning up. Gold is bouncing back on the support at 1830.50 and breaking above its 20 and 50 period moving averages. Long positions above 1830.50 are favored with targets at 1842.25 and 1848 in extension. This while silver intraday sees its watch level 24.05 a troy ounce.